So here 11 person is accommodated in this tent, and 4 meter square is space for the one person and 20 meter cube of air for one person. So first of all, area of the base, total area for the 11 person, so 4 into 11 44, and pi r square is 44. There is no need for this calculation, directly we can put. So pi r square is 44. Again, volume of the tent is 20 into 11 and 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square is 44 into h and 20 into 11, and h equal to 20 into 11 into 3 upon 44. Cross multiplication and calculate it, and its height is 15 meter. And the next question is, PQ is parallel to ST. PQ is parallel to ST, and angle PQR is 110 and RST is 130, and find the value of x. We can solve this question for drawing the parallel line through the R and Q also. दोनों जगह parallel बना के कर सकते हैं. तो through R, draw a line parallel to any one PQ, and PQ is parallel to ST. So all are parallel. Through R, draw AB is parallel to PQ and PQ is parallel to ST. So all are parallel. अब यहाँ पर एंगल हो गया 1, इसको ले लो 2 and find the value of x. So first of all, AB is parallel to PQ and QR is transversal. So sum of this angle is 180 and sum of this angle is 180, and we can find the value of angle 1 and 2. And again using linear property. So first PQ is parallel to AR and QR is transversal. So 110 plus angle 1 equal to 180. Reason, consecutive interior angles. So angle 1 equal to 180 minus 110, and angle 1 is 70 degree. Similarly, sum of this angle is angle 2 plus 130, 180. So angle 2 is 180 minus 130, 50 degree. So angle 1 and 2 ये दोनों वैल्यू हो गई. Again angle 1 plus x plus angle 2 is 180 degree. We can use the linear pair in this system. The value of angle 1 is 70 plus x, and value of 2 is 50, ये 180, and x plus 120, 180, and x equal to 180 minus 120, that is the 60 degree. So x is 60. Next question is, in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, and side BA is produced to D such that AB equal to AD, and join CD, and prove that angle BCD is 180, BCD is 90 degree. Angle BCD is 90 degree. That is, the triangle BCD is a right angle triangle. So first of all, given in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC is given, and angle 1 and 2, angle 1 equal to 2. Reason, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Similarly, in this triangle, ये 3 और 4 ले, Similarly in triangle ACB, AC equal to AD, AC equal to AD because AB and AC are equal. AB equal to AC and AB equal to AD. So AB, AC and AD both are equal. So angle 3 equal to 4. Reason, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Same reason. ये इक्वेशन 1 ले लो, इसको सेकंड ले लो. Again in triangle BCD, we are using the angle sum property. Angle B plus C plus D equal to 180. Reason, angle sum property. Angle B is angle 1. C की वैल्यू क्या होगी 2 plus 3. Then angle D is 180 degree. 1 and 2 are equal. So 1 की place से 2 put. ये 3. In place of 4, we can put the angle 3. From first and second. So twice of angle 2 plus 3 is 180. 2 से divide कर लो. तो angle 2 plus 3 is 180. And angle 2 plus 3 is the angle BCD. So hence angle BCD is 90 degree. Then triangle BCD is a right angle triangle. Next question is, if each sides of a triangle is double, then find the percentage increase in the area of triangle. So given a triangle ABC, if each sides of a triangle is double, then side is 2A, 2B and 2C. Find the percentage increase in the area of triangle. अगर हम साइडों को डबल कर दें तो एरिया कितना परसेंट इंक्रीज होगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल given a triangle ABC whose sides are A, B and C, and its semi perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2, and area of the triangle is square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. If each side is double, then the new sides are, if each sides are double, then the new sides are 2A, 2B and 2C. Its semi perimeter S dash 2A plus 2B plus 2C upon 2. ये 2 कॉमन, A plus B plus C upon 2. ये भी हो जाएगा 2S. Semi perimeter is also double. Again its area, Bolero del dash 2S. Again 2S minus 2A, 2S minus 2B, and 2S minus 2C. 2 is common and 2S minus A. यहाँ 2 common, S minus A. फिर 2 common, S minus A. And next term 2, ये 2, ये 2 and 2. 2 in 4 times S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus A. ये 4 2 है तो 2 2 का एक पेयर बना, 2 into 2. Again S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus A. That is the 4 del. इसको अपनों ने del के नेम से डिफाइन किया. So the area of the new triangle is 4 del. And we should compare the new area and original area. So increased area Del is the area of given triangle. Del is the area of given triangle. And 4 del is the area of new triangle. Area of given triangle is del. And area of new triangle is 4 del. So whose difference is the increased area? So area of increased triangle, area of increased triangle, increased area, 4 del minus del, that is the 3 del. And whose percentage? Percentage of increased area. Percentage of increased area. 3 del is increased on the given triangle multiplied by 100%. Del and del is cancelled and 300%. 300% is the area increased if we double the size.